Today I'm giving you a technology preview of some new functionality that will be in the next release of the Mixed Acuity decentralized social media browser. So you may have seen in my previous video, I launched a new token called Acuity. So this was launched on 25th of August. And the purpose of the Acuity token is to fund the creation of the Mixed Acuity browser. Mixed Acuity runs on the Mix blockchain. So we can see I am the owner of this token. So I created it with an initial balance of 5 million Acuity, and I get paid 10,000 Acuity per day. So this is the total supply. This is my balance. And the idea is that any content creator can switch on a token and they will get paid in their own token continually. But of course, in order for that token to be worth something so that they can actually generate revenue from their creative output, there has to be demand for the token. So what I've done is I've extended the token functionality and I've added a competitive burning aspect. So what this means is if you publish some content, then you can associate that content with your token, and then fans of your content, they can burn your token and then give social proof to everybody that they are real fans. They really support what you've produced. So I'm going to give a short demo of how that works. So I just added some new functionality. So in the next release, you'll also have the option to delete your account, and then you can recover it later or on a different device. So that will also be in the next release of Mixed Acuity. So I'm just going to publish a screenshot of that so I can give it a title like delete account functionality. So I'll put this in my Mixed Acuity feed. I can give it a topic like Mixed Acuity features. Let's do Mixed Acuity features, like that. I think I have to press enter. And one of the key things I'll show you today is that you can associate your content with one of your tokens. So I'll publish that. So I've created my new item. It'll get mined in a few seconds, so then it will tell us the exact publishing time. We have it's published to the feed, it's published to some topics. We have the image. And the new functionality that I'm showing you is what we can see at the bottom. So this content item, it's associated with the Acuity token. This shows how much of the Acuity token I have. I haven't burned any in association with this item, and neither has anybody else because it's a new item. So what I'm going to do is actually switch to another user. So let's say I switch to Red Squirrel, and I'm just going to update it so Red Squirrel is trusting my real account. Okay, so we're looking at the same piece of content, and Red Squirrel is a big fan of this new functionality, so they want to demonstrate that they really like it. So first of all, they have to buy some of the token, and we can see that Red Squirrel has 0.89 mix in their possession. So maybe they want to spend 0.1 mix, and then this will show how much of the Acuity token they will get. So let's click buy. And so this is actually using the Uniswap decentralized exchange. So the red squirrel has been able to buy a small amount of the Acuity token, and then once they've bought it, of course, they can burn it. So let's say 0.001, like that. And so now red squirrel is appearing on the leaderboard. And in a moment, once that transaction gets mined, then it will actually appear in the burn history. There we are. So right now, if anybody looks at this piece of content, they know that red squirrel is the biggest supporter of this piece of content. But then Snow Leopard comes along and, looks at the same piece of content. And then we can see total burned. So actually, Snow Leopard wants to be further ahead in the leaderboard. Now, Snow Leopard only has 0.09 mix. So let's see. Let's buy some of the Acuity token like that, and then Snow Leopard's gonna burn 0.002 Acuity token, because Snow Leopard wants to compete with Red Squirrel and show that they're actually a much bigger fan. So now we can see Snow Leopard is a bigger fan than Red Squirrel. So this gamifies the burning of tokens, of creator tokens. This creates demand for the tokens. This means that the creator, when they are adding liquidity or selling the token on Uniswap or selling the token anywhere else, they actually it creates demand for their token, and so they can sell it for more. So the more their fans are burning the token competitively, the more money the content creator can make. And this has a lot of great properties. So this means that you're not paying any middleman. I'm not taking any fee from this. This is a totally decentralized platform. It means that you're not bugging your users with advertising or sponsorship that they don't want to see. You're not having to put up paywalls that will limit the reach of your content. So I think this can be a really fantastic way to monetize the creation of content. And of course, because it's on a totally decentralized platform, then you can't be demonetized, you can't be decensored, you can't be censored. No one can stop you from doing this. And if you're popular, then no one can stop you making money from your content. But one important thing to bear in mind is that this is a totally transparent platform. So everyone in the world can see what you're producing, what you're making money from. So that's actually a really good mechanism for curating good content. So this functionality is it's almost finished. I'll be making a new release of the Mix Acuity browser in a few days, and then everybody will be able to start burning their tokens competitively to show their support for content. If you want to get involved in the community, a great place to start is actually if you go to the mix-blockchain.org website. You can click on the Discord link and join the community, and that's a great on-ramp onto the Mix Acuity platform. Also, I am selling this Acuity token on the decentralized exchange, but I'm also selling it OTC. So if you would like to buy the Acuity token directly from me, you can you can send me a message on Discord, and you can buy it directly from me if that's something you're interested in doing. Okay, so I think that's enough for me from today. I hope to have a new release of Mixed Acuity out soon, and I'll be making lots more videos in the near future. Thanks.